Welcome guys. So in this video I'll be showing you a free traffic source for affiliate marketing. Okay, so I've done my research and this is one of the top five product, like weight loss product, like in the wealth and I say wealth health and fitness niche. This is one of the product there, the top five selling products. Okay, it has been on Clickbank for over 1 year now. Okay, but it's still selling and I've make a lot of money on it. I can't show you my Clickbank stuff here because I've not supported them. It's not supported in my country, so I usually use an IP to log in. So I can't be showing you guys on every video, okay? For safety reason. So this is like, let me say this, like the product sales page, okay? So in this method here, you don't need any landing page, okay? Because you are like direct selling. Okay, I've done a video about this before, I've explained about this, but many of you guys don't take opportunity. Okay, if you can design a landing page like this, good to go, because on landing page here you can see about the product, how it works, ingredients, order now. Okay, and you can see the first page is only like the first part you see the product image, a brief stuff of what the products can do, like it's showing their offers. Okay, these are just like, this is just like you actually clickbait, but it just make you click on it faster. So when it's code now, you see about the supplements, okay, and the rest. Okay, so that's that about that. Okay, so I'll be showing you how you can promote this product. Okay, I'll be showing you how you can promote this product. But before I get into it, if you are new to my channel, welcome to Online Money Also. Okay, I post content on how to make money online, be it affiliate marketing or any way. Okay, if you can see, I have lot of videos. Okay, but recently I stopped uploading video because due to other stuff, and I want to bring out best out of my content. Okay, so if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video on my channel. So the traffic source we'll be using is Facebook, and if you come over to similarweb.com, you can see it gets over 19.3 billion views every month. Okay, and you can see the average visit duration, people spend about 10 minutes. Okay, and let me show you the countries that US is over 22% of over 9 billion. Okay, so you guys might be saying, oh, Facebook, it's just about posting pictures, people liking, people adding you as friend. No, you do it in a well way, like in the well, in a good way, like in a well business manner. Okay, so this is like a Facebook account I created for video purposes, not my main Facebook account. Okay, it's actually a fresh account, I've not actually done anything yet. Okay, so there are different way you can promote on Facebook. Okay, in my previous video, like in this video here, I did a video on how you can use Facebook using direct messaging. Okay, whereby you go to groups, you see people in your similar location and you can message them. Okay, so if you have not watched it, kindly come over here to watch the video. Okay, so here we'll be using, like, we can use Facebook page. So that Facebook page needs some more, like you have to dedicate more time, but after some while you start getting the money. Okay, so let me go back to page slash now. Okay, so let me say you create a new page. Once you create a new page, let me say you create a new page. Okay, the page name, okay, identity talks is about what? Okay, let me see, I think it's a teeth supplement. Okay, so you can come over to here and choose something like LD teeth, like LD teeth, and okay, let me just make it long, and gums. Okay, so category, let me see, put health, Okay, health and wellness. Yes, okay. Description, you can just write, okay, our focus mainly is to help you have healthy teeth and gums. Okay, so nothing much. Let me see. Is there anything here to do? Okay, you scroll down, click on something like create page. Okay, so when you create page, it might take, okay, to have been created. I think it should load. Okay, sorry. Then you have to scroll down, add the photo. So you can come over to a new page here, something like LD tooth. Okay, I'm just showing you guys step by step so you guys can know how this is done. Okay, you can just get a picture. Okay, let's see. I think I like this one. You can just save image. Okay, okay, LD it so I can able to identify the image I downloaded. Okay, so I think I'm looking for, I need one for my featured image. Just have to look for something. Okay, let me see this. Okay, I think it would be better if I use something like this. Okay, I would like this for my featured image. Okay, okay, so by tapping like featured image, okay, click on save. So I'll come over here back. Okay, I don't want to connect it to WhatsApp. Okay, yeah, so come over here, add the image. Okay, edit profile picture, just be to look like a professional. Okay, edit it. Okay, something like this, not bad. You click on save. Okay, so your page should just focus on one thing alone. Okay, and okay, and you also focus on only one product, not that you be promoting several products on your page. Okay, you can use Facebook group also, but I'm saying you use Facebook page because later on you might want to like advance and start running ads. Okay, you might want to start running ads and you can't run ads to Facebook group, that Facebook page. Okay, what you can do here is you can add a button. Okay, like a button, like let me see, can be send a message. I think send a message will be better. Send a message is better. Let me see. You can just add like, okay, so just a question that people can ask at the beginning of the chat. No, okay, so just put like um I want to have, okay, let me put like a question. How do I have an, okay, let me put a healthy teeth and gum, and you put your question mark over there. Okay, so this is an automated response, so when they send it they'll get this reply. So you can just put something like, okay, this is not bad, but you can add it. So what you be doing over here is you can just complete your page, add add a phone number, it's not a must. Okay, so normally you're meant to say like boost post if you want to like promote, or if you want to promote your page on Google Ads, if you I say Google, sorry. Sorry for that. Like you want to promote this page on Facebook so many other people can see it and to grow the number of followers. Okay. So on your this thing here, you'll be able to see your followers and the rest people. Abi, did I call it followers? Not followers, like. People can like people that like your page, anything you post, they'll see it. So the thing about this is you can come over here and search for three three tips to have healthy healthy teeth. You can come search for something like that. Okay, just let me just tap on it. Okay, you don't need to like rack your brain to find content. You can just copy someone else content and post on your channel. I say on your channel, on your Facebook page. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so three tips to have healthy teeth. Okay, so let me say something like we'll copy something like this. So let me see if we copy it. Let's see what it shows. So we click on create post here. Okay, so we want to create a post. Let's see. Sorry. So just have to like do it where like brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, I think let me see. Okay, so I think this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. So you can just come here and like put something like put in capital letter how to. Okay, then I put 4 tips. Yeah, 4 tips that can help you have healthy teeth. Okay, so you can just like post it. You can add an image. Okay, let me just add an image. I don't know that's my profile picture. Oh, it's not responding. Okay, so you can just add a picture like this. Okay, healthy teeth. Add the picture over here. Okay, so you just post it. When you post it, you see that your page is already there. Like the post is currently posting. So you see it on your new page you just created, something like this. Okay, so it's just like you're sharing free tips on how to like have healthy teeth and gum. Okay, so you can number it, you can make it long, but don't make it long because people don't like it something very long. Okay, so what you have to do next is you see this share button. This is what we'll be making use of. You tap on the share, you see like share to groups. Okay, so we'll go over to the Facebook homepage. Okay, search for healthy teeth and we join groups. Come over here to groups. We join groups on like public groups. Don't join private group. Join public groups on stuff like this. Okay, you join groups. Okay, this one is not good. 20 posts a year is bad. Okay, it's not a must you use on teeth because I can see on this teeth there's no much people on it. You can join something like 10 posts a day. Okay, so you can just join, look at how many posts they get per day to know how how interactive the group is. So when you are done with that, you have joined lot of them. What you can do there is when they post content on the page, on the group, you can comment. Okay, you can comment and drop like some reply. Some people might say, oh, how do I get edits? You can just give them a short reply and tell them that they should check out your page for more for more tips, another way you can do it is click on the share button, tap on share to groups. Okay, so that I think you search for group. Let me see if there's anything. I think I'm not on any group yet, that's why. So you are meant to see the group here and you click on it. When you click on it, you have to share it on the group. It will be like a post and your page name will show on it. So when you're showing on it, people come to your page because you won't be able to read the full post on your group there. So they have to come to your page to read more. So when they read more, people like, and for me, you can be seeing the stats of people that have seen your content, that have engaged to it. So from there, you can be sharing tips on how to have healthy teeth and gums. Like maybe a post every day, okay? People that comment, interact with them, go to similar groups, interact with people there, tell them to check out your group, okay? Check out your page, sorry, and you can also message some, tell them to check out your page. Okay, so this might take time, but you are building the traffic. You're already building the traffic, you're nurturing the traffic. So by the time you start getting some likes, okay, people start liking your page because you are giving them free tips. Okay, so when you have some kind of likes, then you can start suggesting products. Okay, so you can do, what you can do is that, okay, 4 tips on how to have an healthy teeth. Okay, you share, some people comment, "Oh, thank you for this, thank you for that." Then you can just make a post like this. um Let me show you. Okay, you do something like, I had like having this, something like this, like, okay, who wants this supplement that can give you white teeth and healthy gum in 1 week. So you can just post something like this. Okay, you put question mark because it's a question. So you put something like this. So people will comment. You cannot write, okay, you know, when it's something like, people will comment surely. Okay, you see, people will comment when you have some likes, okay, on your group. People will comment. You can share it to other groups. People comment, so you have to like tell them to check their inbox. You go message them one by one, tell them that, have they heard about this product, and you copy your affiliate link. You go over there and send it to them that they have you heard about Dentitox Pro? Is a product that helps cure this thing. Tell them the price, tell them the side effect. You can tell them, okay, read more of the product about here, tell them the price, and you can tell them that if they have any issue buying the product, they can message you. And tell them about the money back guarantee that the product have. I think it has 60-day money back guarantee. Okay, because people think most of these products online are scam. When you tell them that, okay, if it doesn't work for them, they're going to get their money back if they ask for money back within 6 days, 60 days, sorry. So you will be like a big boost. So that's just how this method works basically. Okay, so do try this out and give me your reply, and if you encounter any issue trying this out, kindly comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you actually get something for it, and for those that have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button so you get notified anytime I have a new video on this channel. Okay, you have a nice day. Thank you.